Hello. In this video I will show off the Unity asset called StoryConnectors. StoryConnectors is a asset used to connect a dialogue with the player choices and reactions, and reaction is AI reactions or whatever you need it to be. So first off, let me show off the simple scene I set up to show this. So I'll just play, and here I got my player moving around. So I got yellow, red, green and blue AI, and these AIs up here, and in the middle I have a color changing AI. So let's go and be nice to the yellow and green one. So, oh yeah, I like yellow. So this one will actually respond and want me to go over there, but I don't want to do that right now. I notice this one actually became yellow because I like yellow. And the green one, oh, that's beautiful. I love nature. So he thanks me because I answered that. But now if I go to the blue one, oh, and it became green. It thinks it's so sweet that I like yellow and green, and it just gives me an ocean cookie. I'll say thank you. And this guy will answer, he wants a cookie too. And this one will answer because I said that. And it became blue. So let's try and run it one more time. Now I really don't like yellow and green. No, this one is not becoming yellow now. I don't like hippies, so I will push this one. And now the blue one will tell me that I am being rude. And I'll just laugh at it, and these will laugh at it. So you can see the story actually changed from a positive to a -1. Let's run it here. If I go to the crazy red one, it will be, yeah, I'm angry too. Okay. But that would actually respond if I said that I love yellow. Then, oh yeah. So why does it want me to go over here? Yeah, it makes the color orange. Orange is fire, whatever. Whoops. But if I tell green that I like it and go to the yellow one, it doesn't like green, so I can say sorry. I can say no way, I will not say sorry, because I now defend the green one and go here. This one will change for the third time, and now I'm a hero because I defended it, and these will respond. So you can see they are all connected. So how do we do this? First, the dialogues and choices is in a editor window I created. So you go to Windows, Story Connections, Dialogues, but I have it open here. And here you can see all the dialogues. Each of these is got a dialogue name. This is how we will reference the dialogue. Later on I will show how that is used. Then we got the dialogue. What will the dialogue be? Then we can add choices. So when the yellow one asks if I like yellow, I can say yeah, I love yellow, and I'll have an ID. This ID will be sent to all the AI, which will then react to this answer. And every time I go ask something and I will get a new dialogue, those dialogues will be showed based on what IDs is sent around. So you can see, yeah, no, I think yellow is ugly, and then that would be sent around, and I can just add choices and delete them. And I can delete questions up here, and I can add a new dialogue, blah 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 blah, choice blah 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 blah. And if I had 1,000 of dialogues or just hundreds, it will be not that cool to scroll all the way down to find it. So that's also a search function for the dialogue name. Now there is in the scene here, these got an AI script attached, and these got an AI and item. AI scripts are the ones that will react to choices. The items are the one that when I interact with them, they will choose which dialogue to play based on what based on my choices in the game. So let's first show an item. This is an item. I can have this. I'm on the blue one now. it doesn't have an initial dialogue. That is the one where if I go there and nothing on my list has been chosen, it will play that one. I can just pick yes and then write the dialogue name for whatever, and the dialogue name is, remember, this like yellow question. So I could write hello question here, and it will initially, if nothing on the list has been chosen, play this one. But I don't want that on my blue. I got it on the other ones. Now item connections. This is here. I got 3 on the blue one, and each connection is what dialogue I want to play. So that is the dialogue name here. And this one will only be played if these choices have been taken in the game. So I just add to the list. Oh, it's just... Oh, there we go. I don't know why it bugged up Unity. So I can add another one called my name ID. So if I also had chosen this one, all of these 3 needs to be chosen in the game before I will call the dialogue. So let's just change that. Yeah, and I can have as many connections as I want. So see, yeah, yellow and green question. Let me show it. It is, oh, you need to write yellow and green down here. Yeah, that is, oh, you defended the blue. That would be played if I don't say sorry to yellow after I told the green one that I liked it. So it can become pretty complicated, but connected stories can be that. That is the item. Then I also got the AI. The AI got a response time, that is for how long it will show its dialogue response. And I got a reaction list, and this is the exciting one. And I got no reactions on the blue one. Let's pick another one. The red one. So we got 2 reactions. The first reaction is based on this choice ID. So if I tell the yellow one that I like it, it will send out this ID, love yellow ID, to all of the AI. Because I put this in here, then the red one will respond to it. You can see I added, yeah, run response. I could also say run animation and run an animation name. So if it had an animation like run on it, it'll start running. But in this simple example, I don't use animations for much. So my response will be this one. And I can just add, based on the ID sent around, what I will respond and how I will react with an animation or a color or where I will go. So let's say this is when I say I like yellow, we can just show it off again. Yeah, I like yellow, and now the red one will respond to it. This is the response. So that is how it is. It is pretty simple to set up. You can set it up without a single line of code. So designers and little designers can play around with it and set up the stories without needing a programmer, more or less. And it is easy to change what GUI you use or how the AI should react. It doesn't take many lines of code to do so. So it is really flexible.